Unpacking the rhythms and rhymes of Baba Harare's Chigaba Chinorira. Baba Harare, the charismatic frontman of the Jiti ensemble The City Vibration, has once again graced our screens and speakers with his latest offering, Chigaba Chinorira, the Empty Tin Rattles official music video. This track is not just another song, it's a poignant social commentary wrapped in the infectious, foot-tapping rhythms that Baba Harare is renowned for. Known for his unique blend of traditional Jiti music with contemporary sounds, Baba Harare consistently delivers music that resonates with the everyday Zimbabwean experience. Chigaba Chinorira is a prime example of his artistry, weaving together powerful storytelling with irresistible melodies. The message behind the music. The title itself, Chigaba Chinorira, is a Shona idiom that translates to, an empty tin rattles the most. This proverb is often used to describe individuals who make a lot of noise or boast extensively, despite lacking substance, wealth, or genuine achievement. It's a subtle yet direct critique of superficiality and pretentiousness that is prevalent in society. In the song, Baba Harare delves into themes of poverty, struggle, and the human tendency to mask these realities with outward displays of false affluence. He sings about the daily grind, the challenges faced by ordinary people, and the societal pressures that lead some to put on a facade. It's a reminder that not everything that glitters is gold, and often, those who are genuinely prosperous tend to be more discreet. The official music video. A visual narrative. The music video for Chigaba Chinorira is a crucial element that amplifies the song's message. It's not merely a visual accompaniment but a narrative device that brings the lyrics to life. Key visual elements that stand out. Authentic scenery. The video often features relatable settings, depicting everyday Zimbabwean life. This authenticity helps viewers connect deeply with the message, as they can see themselves or people they know within the visual narrative. Symbolic imagery. Expect to see clever visual metaphors that reinforce the empty tin concept. This could be through characters' actions, their attire, or contrasting scenes of struggle and ostentation. Baba Harare's performance. As always, Baba Harare's energetic performance is central. His stage presence, combined with the emotive expressions of the characters in the video, drive the story forward with passion and conviction. The City Vibration's energy. The band's vibrant performance contributes to the overall lively feel, ensuring that even with a serious message, the music remains enjoyable and danceable. Through vivid imagery and compelling character portrayals, the video effectively contrasts genuine hardship with hollow displays of wealth, urging viewers to look beyond the surface. It subtly encourages introspection and a more honest approach to life. Why Chigaba Chinorira matters. Chigaba Chinorira is more than just entertainment, it's a cultural mirror. Baba Harare uses his platform to address pertinent social issues, making his music not only enjoyable but also thought-provoking. This track is a call for authenticity, a gentle rebuke of vanity, and a celebration of resilience in the face of adversity. If you haven't yet, do yourself a favor and check out the official music video for Chigaba Chinorira. It's a masterclass in storytelling through sound and vision, a true testament to Baba Harare's enduring talent and his commitment to creating meaningful music. What are your thoughts on Chigaba Chinorira? Did the video resonate with you? Share your interpretations in the comments below.